Welcome back to today's video. So you log into your Facebook account, and from the left panel, you choose Ads Manager. Just here, you click Ads Manager. It will then redirect you to the Ads Manager. So when you get here, yours should be okay. Mine, the adverts being paused because I've reached the spending limit which I set. I just need to reset it, but that shouldn't worry because yours will be working just fine. On the left, choose campaign. So here, this is the dashboard for the Ads Manager where you create your ads from. So we are going to create an advert for a product. Create. You choose your objective. Awareness is best for just pushing out brand awareness for a product or a brand. Traffic, it's ideal for online conversions, people with the websites. Engagement is what I commonly use to sell products because I don't have an online store. Leads is ideal in situations where you want to collect leads from Facebook. If you intend to collect leads from your website, then traffic is better. Also, app promotion for people promoting their apps, then sales. It's where for people with online stores, is optimized for conversions, online sales. So I'll go with engagement because I intend to close sales from my WhatsApp and Messenger. The reason I choose engagement is it's cost friendly for us beginners because it is cheap. The cost per result is cheap, and you can easily make sales, and Facebook cannot easily tell that you've made sales. Facebook will be charging you for just the engagement, the people messaging you. So unlike sales where conversions, here you are charged according to the cut actions or conversions because there is the trackable using pixels. So I normally choose this because it is budget friendly for us starters. So here you choose manual. We'll go with manual. So here you've started setting up your advert. I prefer you put the name of the page you are going to run the advert on. Please note that to run adverts, you are required to have a Facebook page, and it's recommended you should have an Instagram page and a WhatsApp business, as we are going to see shortly. So if the advert is for smartwatch, I specify the product, I specify the month. This helps you when you are searching for a particular advert in the future. Then the ad sequence. This is ad 1, for example. Then continuing down, A/B testing, you use it when you are running multiple ad sets to test which one performs better. You could have flyers or graphics creative for the ad. When you have more than one ad creative, or you intend to target different audiences, so you can test to find out which one works best. So for now, that is not necessary. You continue, click next. So this is the ad set setting. As you can see, we started from the campaign level. Now the ad set. We shall end with the ad itself. So ad set level, we have to choose the page. This advert is targeted schedule. register. So it, like I told you, it is recommended you have all these pages set for your online or the Facebook page for your online store. Enable you optimize your results. You get better results if you have all these set. Your advert will be targeting people on Instagram. It will be optimized for Facebook and WhatsApp, because all these companies, they are under Meta. So we move to the budget. I always prefer $5. I start with $5 for like 3 days, then I reduce to 2. I start with $5. Reason being, I want the advert to pick up very fast. Then once it picks up, I reduce the budget to 2. Remember, our main goal is to use the least budget we can to get the best results, since we are beginners. So I also have come to realize that not setting the end date gives you an added advantage with the algorithm, because it's kind of tells people, Facebook, the algorithm, that you are here for serious business. But when you set 3 days, 5 days, you are not fully optimized to the maximum. And you guys should test it as well. You will give feedback in the comments. What was your findings? So I always prefer to leave it continuous, ongoing, and I will manually turn it off. So I skip that. Then we go to targeting. So targeting it, I recommend you keep the target size manageable. There is no need, I don't need to target the whole country because I cannot fulfill those orders. So I prefer people in my vicinity. For that reason, I choose Wakiso. So if you're in scenarios where you have the same location as the city and the state, prefer going for city, because city gives you diameter, and always you can always reduce or target more. And I'll go for Kampala. So I normally target these 3. Remember, the product I'm selling is cash on delivery. So median Entebbe. Oh, Entebbe is already included in the radius I set here. So that is good to go. So added advantage audience, this is one of the new features, but it is working well for me. I normally don't have to tamper here. But if you prefer to be specific, you can use original targeting, and you define your audiences the usual way, where you can add demographics. So before this feature was launched, I would go for people who are interested in Premier League, people who are interested in BBC News, people who are following DSTV. Why I'm choosing all these demographics, it's because according to my study, my avatar, these are people who can afford my product. So if someone can subscribe for DSTV, is a DSTV fan, the chances are spending 120 per watch won't be an issue. So I normally do that targeting, but it's not really much necessary nowadays. The age, I take 20, 25, 60. So depending on the product, you have to do your research to really understand who are you targeting. So, but nowadays I no longer go this deep. I leave it to Advantage Plus. I normally use this, so I'll go back to this. The placements, they are better that way. I'll get rid of this. Then next. So here we're now setting up the actual ad. You can choose to have a single image or a slow, but I prefer using existing posts. I first post on my page so that I keep those comments and what for future viewers. People can easily trust the brand. So I select posts. Select the post and click continue to automatically capture what you posted here. Then you move to messaging. So messaging, I always prefer to edit this to fit the adverts description. So you normally make it simple. You don't want to complicate things. So I don't need these questions. I hate these questions because when you leave these questions here, people will just tap on them because they come like options. People just tap. And in most cases, you'll find that people don't remember even clicking those questions as you're chatting with them. So it's better you exclude these questions, let them ask their actual questions. If someone intends to know how much the product is, let them type how much. So that one kind of qualifies your leads. So about the advert, like I said, I keep it simple. I always use emojis in my description or the ad copy. So here it is, simple, straight to the point. And the graphics, I prefer less text. So those days, 3-4 years back, we had the 20% text rule. So Facebook would only optimize graphics that is applying to that law, but these days it was scrapped. However, observing it gives you another advantage. So that's why I always keep my graphics. So we move on. Once this is done, you click publish. And your advert will be set for review. Once your advert has been reviewed, it should be approved and activated. So thank you guys. If you have any question, feel free to comment down. I'll be happy to assist. Keep in mind, this is for beginners and it has been targeting people who are drop shipping locally. These products you can get from Gigi, and you run adverts for them. Create a Facebook page for your business, create an Instagram page, have WhatsApp business installed, and you sell. That is local drop shipping. You don't have to ship from China. Get it from people who have already imported in your country and start selling. I wish you all the best.